Switzerland, a feast for your travel dreams. Welcome to our channel, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today we're whisking you away to the heart of Europe, to a land of breathtaking scenery, charming villages, and an efficiency that would make a Swiss watchmaker proud. Get ready to explore the 7 best places to visit in Switzerland. From stunning alpine villages to charming lakeside towns, Switzerland has it all. So grab your virtual backpacks and let's embark on this Swiss adventure together. Zermatt, in the shadow of giants. Our first stop takes us to the car-free village of Zermatt, a picture-perfect postcard come to life. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, this charming village is a haven for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Imagine strolling down cobblestone streets, the air crisp and clean, surrounded by traditional wooden chalets adorned with colorful flower boxes. The scent of fresh pine and blooming flowers fills the air, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Towering above it all is the iconic Matterhorn, its jagged peak piercing the sky, a sight that stirs the soul and beckons adventurers from around the globe. This majestic mountain, standing at 4,478 meters, is one of the most photographed in the world and a symbol of Swiss pride. Zermatt is a paradise for hikers and skiers, offering trails for all levels, from gentle slopes to challenging climbs. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or a casual walker, there's a path for you. In winter, the village transforms into a snowy wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders to its pristine slopes. Take a ride on the Gornergratbahn, Europe's highest open-air railway, for breathtaking panoramic views of the Matterhorn and surrounding peaks. This scenic journey takes you through lush forests and alpine meadows, offering a unique perspective of the landscape. And for a truly unforgettable experience, treat yourself to a meal at one of the mountaintop restaurants, where the food tastes as good as the view. Imagine savoring Swiss delicacies while gazing at the Matterhorn, the sun setting behind its peak, casting a golden glow over the mountains. As night falls, Zermatt takes on a magical quality. The village lights twinkle like stars, and the clear night sky reveals a breathtaking display of constellations. It's a perfect end to a day filled with adventure and wonder. Lucerne, where history meets natural beauty. Next, we journey to Lucerne, a city that effortlessly blends medieval charm with stunning natural beauty. Picture yourself strolling across the Chapel Bridge, its iconic wooden roof adorned with 17th century paintings depicting scenes from Lucerne's history. The crystalline waters of Lake Lucerne sparkle below, reflecting the surrounding mountains like 1,000 tiny mirrors. Explore the well-preserved Old Town, with its cobblestone streets and colorful houses, each whispering tales of a bygone era. Don't miss the Lion Monument, a poignant tribute to the Swiss guards who died defending Louis XVI during the French Revolution. And for a taste of local culture, visit the Swiss Museum of Transport, a fascinating journey through the history of transportation. Interlaken, your adventure starts here. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, Interlaken is a picturesque town that promises an unforgettable adventure. With its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture, this is the perfect destination for those seeking both thrill and tranquility. Our third stop takes us to Interlaken, a town nestled between 2 sparkling lakes, Thun and Brienz, and surrounded by towering alpine peaks. These lakes are not just a sight to behold, but also offer a plethora of activities. From serene boat rides to exhilarating water sports, there's something for everyone. This is the adventure capital of Switzerland, a place where adrenaline junkies and nature lovers alike can find their bliss. Whether you're into extreme sports or simply want to soak in the natural beauty, Interlaken has it all. Imagine waking up to the sight of snow-capped mountains and spending your days exploring lush valleys and crystal-clear lakes. Feel your heart race as you paraglide over the turquoise waters of Lake Thun, the wind whistling in your ears. The panoramic views from above are nothing short of spectacular, offering a bird's-eye perspective of the stunning landscape below. It's an experience that will leave you breathless and craving for more. Hike or bike through lush meadows carpeted with wildflowers, the air filled with the sound of cowbells and birdsong. These trails offer a perfect escape into nature, allowing you to immerse yourself in the serene beauty of the Swiss countryside. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual biker, the trails around Interlaken cater to all levels of experience. Take a scenic boat trip across Lake Brienz, its waters reflecting the surrounding mountains like a giant mirror. The tranquility of the lake, combined with the majestic backdrop of the Alps, creates a surreal experience. As you glide across the water, you'll feel a sense of peace and wonder that is hard to find elsewhere. And for a truly unforgettable experience, take a thrilling ride on the Jungfraujoch Railway, known as the top of Europe, to witness breathtaking views of the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. This journey takes you through some of the most stunning landscapes in Switzerland, offering panoramic views that will leave you in awe. The Aletsch Glacier, with its vast expanse of ice, is a sight to behold and a testament to the raw beauty of nature. Chapter 4: Grindelwald, a fairy tale in the Alps. Our fourth stop transports us to Grindelwald, a village that seems plucked straight from the pages of a fairy tale. Nestled at the foot of the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau Mountains, Grindelwald is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through flower-filled meadows, past sparkling waterfalls, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. Take a ride on the first cable car, soaring high above the village to enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding peaks. Visit the Grindelwald Glacier Canyon, a natural wonder carved by glacial ice over millennia. And for a truly magical experience, spend a night in a mountain hut, falling asleep to the sound of cowbells and waking up to the sun rising over the Alps. Chapter 5: Montreux, Jazz, Charm, and Lakeside Luxury. Our Swiss adventure takes us next to Montreux, a town synonymous with elegance, music, and breathtaking scenery. Imagine strolling along the lakeside promenade, lined with palm trees and colorful flowers, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of fresh air and lake water. The shimmering waters of Lake Geneva stretch out before you, reflecting the snow-capped peaks of the French Alps in the distance. Montreux is famous for its annual jazz festival, which draws music lovers from around the world. Visit the Freddie Mercury statue, a tribute to the legendary Queen frontman who called Montreux home. Explore the medieval Chillon Castle, perched dramatically on a rocky island just offshore. And for a taste of the good life, treat yourself to a meal at one of Montreux's many gourmet restaurants. Chapter 6: Bern, where history whispers on every corner. Our journey takes us now to Bern, the capital of Switzerland, a city where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Imagine strolling through the UNESCO-listed Old Town, its cobblestone streets lined with medieval arcades and sandstone buildings adorned with colorful fountains. The air is filled with the gentle murmur of conversations, the laughter of children playing, and the rhythmic chime of the Zeitglocke astronomical clock, a masterpiece of medieval engineering. Visit the Bear Park, home to the city's namesake animals, a symbol of Bern since the 12th century. Explore the Einstein House, where the famed physicist developed his theory of relativity. And for a taste of local life, visit the Bernese Farmers Market, held every Tuesday and Saturday in the shadow of the Federal Palace. Chapter 7: Lauterbrunnen, a valley of waterfalls and wonder. Our final stop takes us to Lauterbrunnen, a village nestled in a valley so picturesque it seems almost unreal. This charming village is a gateway to some of the most stunning natural landscapes in Switzerland. Imagine gazing up at towering cliffs, their faces adorned with 72 cascading waterfalls, each one a testament to the power and beauty of nature. These waterfalls, some of which are over 300 meters high, create a mesmerizing spectacle as they tumble down the rugged cliffs. The air is filled with the roar of the water, a symphony of sound that echoes through the valley. The constant rush of water creates a soothing ambiance, making it a perfect place for relaxation and reflection. Take a hike to Staubach Falls, one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe, its waters plummeting over the cliff face like a silver ribbon. The trail to Staubach Falls offers breathtaking views and a chance to get up close to this natural wonder. Don't miss the Trummelbach Falls, hidden inside a mountain where 10 glacier waterfalls thunder through the rock, accessible by a series of tunnels and platforms. This unique experience allows you to witness the raw power of nature from within the mountain itself. Ride the cable car up to Schilthorn, the mountaintop setting for the James Bond film On Her Majesty's Secret Service, and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding Alps. The revolving restaurant at the summit offers a 360-degree view, making it a perfect spot for a meal with a view. Visit the car-free village of Mürren, perched on a cliffside offering stunning views of the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau Mountains. This quaint village is a haven for hikers and nature lovers. And for a truly unforgettable experience, spend a night in a traditional Swiss chalet, falling asleep to the sound of waterfalls and waking up to the sun painting the mountains in hues of gold and pink. The cozy chalets provide a perfect blend of comfort and rustic charm, making your stay in Lauterbrunnen truly memorable. For the adventurous, try paragliding over the valley, offering a bird's-eye view of the stunning landscape below. Soar above the waterfalls and cliffs, and experience the thrill of flight in one of the most beautiful places on Earth. As the day comes to an end, watch the sunset over the valley, casting a golden glow over the waterfalls and mountains. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left this magical place. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful Swiss village tour. We hope we've inspired you to add Switzerland to your travel bucket list. From the towering Matterhorn to the charming streets of Bern, Switzerland offers something for every traveler. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides.